Hello everyone, this is Peter from TSZ Bookkeeping and I'm recording this video after 4 months. 4 months went in a blink of an eye. First of all, wishing you a happy new year. Hope this year brings prosperity, peace to you. So in the last 4 months, I was kind of busy with serving some of my new clients. Thank you so much, YouTube. I know this platform is really great. It helps me to get some new business. I see my business a little bit growing now. So with the help of this video today, we are going to see how we can resolve one of the major problems when user gets stuck while using QuickBooks. So recently, one of my clients who watched one of my previous video and contacted me, and he said when he's trying to create a QuickBooks company file backup, he was getting some kind of error messages or warning. So I did some troubleshooting and diagnostic for him to fix that problem. Somehow I was able to fix that problem, but I got to know there are a lot of people who may be facing the same problem. So this video will gonna help you out to fix the problem when you are trying to, or when your QuickBooks company file cannot create a backup for you. There are many reasons, there are many possibilities. So with the help of this video, you will be able to resolve this problem when you are trying to create a QuickBooks company file backup. So first thing, let me go ahead and open QuickBooks. This is my QuickBooks. So let's say when you try to create a backup of your company file and it shows you some kind of error message or something which seems to be kind of suspicious or not good as expected. So this video will help you out to fix this kind of problem. Okay. So first thing, what we are going to do when you try to create a backup and if it is not going to work out, the first step we are going to take is to update your QuickBooks. So we need to go to help, go to update QuickBooks desktop, click on update now, and then click on get update. As soon as you will gonna click get updates, it will download new updates for you and it will gonna help you to resolve this problem. I'm not going to click on get updates. It will gonna take a lot of time. So just click on get updates and updates will going to be starts to download. Okay. So this is one of the first steps which you need to take in order to rectify or fix this problem. Second thing which you can do, or the second step which you can take in order to fix the problem, is to verify and rebuild your company file. And how you can do that, let me show you. So the second step we are going to take is to verify and rebuild the company file data. So first we need to go to file menu, go to utilities, then go to verify data. Click on verify data and then click on OK. Then it will gonna start verifying your data. Okay. It will gonna take some time depending on your company file size. Okay. As it says, QuickBooks detected no problem with your data. So it seems there is no problem within the company file itself. As this is a company file, this is a test company file that I'm working on. But this problem, where you cannot create QuickBooks company file backup, actually happen with your company file where you track records of your business from a longer period of time. So in order to prevent these things, that's what we are going to take these steps. So the second thing we are going to do is to rebuild the data. After doing the verify, we need to rebuild the data. So as soon as you will gonna start rebuilding your data, it will ask you to create a backup. So give a shot to create a backup as we have already updated the QuickBooks in the first step. So let's go ahead and click on browse to create a backup. I'm going to do it on the desktop for now and use this location, save and save it now and save it. Okay. It is preparing it for backup. It is backing up now. So after doing this, if the same problem still exists, it will not gonna create a backup for you. Okay. After, let's say if it somehow starts to create a backup, then it will do the rebuild. Once the rebuild has done, so you can see the result. You can see it says there is no issue found into the company file here, 0. So the status of the company file seems to be good. Okay. So the third step, let's say if you are facing the same problem, third step we are going to take is to repair your QuickBooks desktop. Okay. And how you will gonna do that, let me show you. First, you need to close your QuickBooks. Then you need to go to your control panel. Once you go to your control panel, then you need to go to programs and features. Look up for your QuickBooks. Here is QuickBooks. You just need to click on QuickBooks and then click on uninstall and change. Click on yes. We are not going to uninstalling QuickBooks or something like that. We are just going to repair. So you will see this pop-up comes comes up, you just need to click on next. Then there are two steps, repair and remove. This is the step we are going to take, repair. Then click on next and then click on repair. This process will gonna take a minute or two, okay, to repair your complete QuickBooks desktop and all that kind of a thing. So once this process is done, once the reparation is completely done, then you can go ahead and move forward to creating a company file back. If in case the same problem still exists, let's say you still have the same problem, okay, you still have the same issue, it is still not creating a backup. So we are going to take the fourth step that I'm going to show you in a bit. Okay, let's wait for this one to get complete. So the reparation process has been completed. So what you need to do afterwards, you need to go ahead and open QuickBooks again, try to create a company file backup and see if the same problem still exists or not. If it does not, that's a good thing, like the problem has been resolved. In case if the same problem still exists, let's say if the same problem still exists, so the fourth step that we are going to take is to change the QuickBooks company file backup location. So the backup location that we have at the moment onto the QuickBooks, we are going to change that. So let me show you how we are going to do that though. So first we go ahead and open this. All right, it is taking a bit to open. Right, perfect. So once the QuickBooks company file is completely open, you need to go ahead and go to file menu at the top, then go to backup company. Try to create a company file backup first. If it does not work so, then afterwards you need to follow this step. Okay, click on create local backup, save it now. Now it says I want you to choose the different location which you want to create. So now what you need to do, let's say my current location is desktop. Under the same location, or what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a different location. I'm going to go to C drive, users, public documents, into a QuickBooks company file. Just to let you know, but the location that I just chose, it is a default location of QuickBooks company file where all of your company file stays into this folder. Let me show you this location. Here it is, local C, disk C, users, public documents, into a QuickBooks company file. This is the default location of your company file. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a quick new folder into this location and I will name it as backup. I'll choose it. Now the backup folder is selected. I'm going to click on save, use this location. So now the new location is this location which I just show you. Before my location was the desktop, but now this location is something I change. This is the new location for creating a backup. Try to do this thing. It will also work out for you. If you see, the QuickBooks has saved a backup and this is the location of the backup file. Now from now onwards, whenever I will going to create a QuickBooks company file backup, it will always going to save onto this folder, onto this location. So that's how the new QuickBooks company file location keeps your backup safe and secure onto your computer. So this is one of the fourth steps that I just took. Let's assume all these steps that we have, none of them worked out. So there is one more last step which you can also take. Okay, that will gonna work out for you for sure. Probably it will gonna work out for you. It depends. Sometimes it depends on the nature of the problem. What kind of a problem you are going through. Let's say you do not have enough space into computer. Okay, onto your computer where your company files are saved. So that's also one of the reasons. But one of the other steps which you can take is to ensure the status of your QuickBooks company file. So for that, you can run QuickBooks Tool Hub. QuickBooks Tool Hub is something I already explained before. I already mentioned the video link into the description box below. Okay, you can check that out. So that is a complete video how you can download QuickBooks Tool Hub, how it works and all that kind of. But in this fifth step, I'm going to show you how QuickBooks Tool Hub will gonna help us out to fix this issue. So I just quickly open QuickBooks Tool Hub. Here it is. And then I will gonna go ahead and click on this company file issues. And then I will click on quick fix my company file. So what it will gonna do, it will gonna do the process. It will gonna do the things to fix this problem. And once this like a quick fix my file process runs out, or once it is being done, then try to restart your computer first and then try to open QuickBooks, like open your QuickBooks, create your company file backup. It will work out for you without having any issues or anything like that. In case somehow you still face any issue, you can try to contact QuickBooks team. In case you would like to help me out, I can also help you out. But just to let you know, I'm a bookkeeper. My business name is TSZ Bookkeeping. I also help clients with bookkeeping, QuickBooks bookkeeping, and all these kind of a basic bookkeeping services I provide. So in case you're looking for some kind of a second help, you can leave me an inquiry onto my website. This is my website. If you would like to reach me directly, you can dial me at this phone number. If you would like to email me, you can also email me on this email address. So from now onwards, I will try my best to keep the videos regular. And this is it for today's video. video. I will see you in the next one with more information. If you do have some more suggestions to create a video on, please do let me know into the below comment section. I will try my best to get that topics covered as well. Thank you. Have a good one. Bye bye.